Okay guys, so welcome sa video natin. Today we're going to talk about why do most clients want yung Shopify website. So bakit ba maraming client na gusto magkaroon ng Shopify website? And like for me, for example, bakit ba ito yung ginamit ko? Actually, nasabi ko na rin kanina, no? It's because Shopify is the easiest e-commerce or website platform today. This is the most simple lang na platform, friendly user na web-based platform na pwede tayong makagawa ng website in just a matter of how many clicks lang. Pwede tayong makagawa ng website within an hour, even within 30 minutes. Pero yeah, Shopify is parang, I think that this is the reason why a lot of clients really want to have this kind of platform, no, yung Shopify. Kasi yung payment integration nila is very much easy na lang. So kung may bibili, parang yung platform talaga nila is really designed for e-commerce or yung store na online store, which is really in demand ngayon since the pandemic, 'di ba? Kasi marami nang gustong magkaroon ng sariling website nila. Like so for example, may binebenta kayo na cellphone casing or mayroon kayong mga beauty products. And yeah, I think ito talaga yung pinaka the best na platform ngayon, no, Shopify. Alright, so I think yeah, that's it. Personally sa akin, gusto ko talaga yung Shopify kasi very simple lang siya gamitin, very easy to use and friendly user again. So yeah, I think that's it for this video, no. Very short video lang, and see you in the next video guys. Thank you, God bless.